Hello everyone, welcome to an interesting episode of Tech and Teach Unfiltered. Whether you're a student dreaming to be a part of the IT industry soon, a fresher who have just started the career in IT company, or just someone eager to understand how IT companies operate, here's an interesting topic. Have you ever wondered how IT companies make billions of dollars? It is not just about coding and software. There's a whole business model and revenue secret behind it. Let me help you understand in simple terms the entire working model, revenue generation strategies, and how these companies scale their businesses globally. From this episode, we will start learning about all these by breaking into below topics. Number 1, the different types of IT companies. Number 2, their major business streams. Number 3, their revenue models. And number 4, why big companies like TCS, Infosys, and Accenture keep growing. Before we uncover how IT companies rake in billions, let me present you some eye-opening data about IT sector and their contribution to India. IT companies are one of the major contributors to the Indian overall GDP. IT sector alone contributes to approximately 7% to India's total economy and generates approximately 10% of jobs in India. Also, IT sector contributes to overall 16% of government revenue directly from the taxes being paid from the IT employees' salaries. So, I hope now you understand why the government strives to make India an IT hub. These companies generate millions of high paying jobs, fuel foreign investments, and bring in billions through exports. Their tax contributions also play a huge role in funding infrastructure, education, and digital transformation projects in India. This is why the government pushes initiatives like Digital India and Make in India to further strengthen the IT ecosystem and ensure India remains a global leader in technology services. Now, let's quickly look at the top 5 Indian IT companies and their revenue as per the report published by DHN. TCS is at the first place with a revenue of $29.08 billion and 600,000 employees. Infosys stands at second place with $18.6 billion and 335,000 employees. HCL Tech takes the third place with $13.3 billion and 225,000 employees. Wipro is at the fourth place with $10.8 billion and 250,000 employees. Tech Mahindra takes the fifth place with $6.28 billion and 158,000 employees. If you get a question in mind, what does such companies do to generate such a huge revenue? Think of them as tech doctors for businesses. Whether it's building websites, developing apps, supporting, maintaining applications, securing data, or managing servers, these companies offer customized solutions for businesses across the world. They work on first come, first serve mode. IT companies are not just product based like Apple or Google, they are mostly service based. This means they don't sell gadgets, they sell solutions. Imagine you own a bank in the US. You need a secure mobile app for customers. Instead of hiring a full team, you just call TCS, Infosys, or Accenture and they build it for you. You pay them and they take care of everything. IT is a massive industry, and companies in this space can be broadly categorized into 6 to 7 major types. One of them is product development companies. These companies develop and sell their own software to users. Examples are Microsoft, Google, Apple, Oracle, etc. These companies create operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, develop software like MS Office, Google Docs, Adobe, which we use on a daily basis. In simple terms, just think of them as inventors and product creators. Second type of company is the services company. These companies don't sell a product but provide IT solutions and support to other businesses. Examples are TCS, Infosys, Accenture, etc. They provide IT consulting, support digital transformation, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and automation. Just think of them as tech consultants and problem solvers. The third type of companies are hardware and semiconductor companies. These companies design and manufacture physical tech components. Examples are Intel, AMD, Nvidia, Dell, etc. They make processors, develop GPUs for AI and gaming, build laptops, servers, and networking devices. Just think of them as the backbone of all tech devices. The fourth type of company is IT staffing and outsourcing companies. These companies hire IT professionals and place them in different projects for other firms. Examples like Randstad, Cognizant, DXC Technology, etc. They provide skilled developers and IT consultants to companies, handle tech projects for multiple clients, manage large-scale IT workforce globally. The fifth type of companies are cybersecurity and networking companies. These companies protect digital systems from cyber threats and build networking infrastructure. Examples Cisco, Fortinet, Checkpoint, etc. They develop firewalls and security software, preventing hacking, data breaches, and cyber attacks, provide secure networking and VPN solutions. Think of them as the digital security guards. The sixth type of companies are cloud and data center companies. These companies store, manage, and process vast amounts of data for businesses and individuals. Examples are AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, etc. They provide cloud storage and computing power, run massive data centers across the world, help companies scale without needing physical servers. Think of them as the digital landlords renting out storage and computing power. Stay tuned to understand on how these companies operate and the revenue model of these companies.